Shalom sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. Ito po ang inyong lingkod si Father Archie Riva, OFM, once again inviting you for our yearly celebration, Lenten Retreat at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Ito po ay alas 2 ng hapon and March 24, that's the date. March 24, 25, and 26. Holy Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Please, may I ask you, my dear friends, to bring your brothers and sisters. Mag-akay talaga tayo ng mga kaluluwa. This is the best time, my dear friends, with all of our problems and international as well as national. Alam ko po, mga kapatid, tayo ay pagpapalain ng ating Panginoon. To pray to the Lord. To pray to the Lord. Sabi po ng banal na aklat, sa sandaling ang bayang ito na aking pinili ay magpakumbaba. Manalangin, hanapin ako, talikdan ang kanilang kasamaan. Hiling ko sila. Patatawain ko ang kanilang mga kasalanan at ibabalik ko sa kanilang lupain ang katiwasayan at kasalanan. Doon naman po sa St. Luke chapter 14, verse 23, ang sabi niya, mag-akay daw tayo ng mga kaluluwa para sa kaharian ng ating Panginoon. Pilitin mong makarating sila upang ang room, ang bahay ng aking Ama ay mapuno. So that's an invitation, that's a challenge, my dear brothers and sisters, for each and every one of us. May kanya-kanya po tayong assignment. March 24, 25, and 36, that's Holy Week. And let's be together for the beautiful, powerful prayer time. Mananalangin tayo. We're gonna enjoy music and preaching of the Word of God. See you there, my dear brothers and sisters. Shalom sa inyong lahat.